Hi everyone, how are you doing? Happy Independence Day. Those who are in America. Today I would like to share you my strange corn. It's really strange to me. I've been missing, corn, the white one, the ones we eat in Africa mainly. And I asked my cousin, and she said she buys the seeds on Amazon. So she told me to buy from there, and I went on and I bought them. I planted the seeds, but they look so strange. Oh, they are thin. They are too tall. Within should be 2 weeks now, but they look so thin. They look more like what do you call it? Sweet can. Okay, let me show you. But this is the corn I'm talking about. It's not much because it's just a taste, and I don't have much to plant it anyway. I have to prepare, so I used this kind of bed to plant them. So I've never seen corn like this in my life. This is really thin, very thin for me. I'll be showing you the progress. So this has been like 2 weeks since I planted it, and it just looks so strange to me. Oh, please tell me if it's real, if this is normal or not, because it looks more like can than anything. It's just growing thin, and one animal creature, which I don't know, has been eating some of it. You see, this one was eaten. So my corn is not growing very well. All these have been eaten by this creature, which I don't know what it is. Yeah, I just thought I should share with you, as I tend to share about my backyard. This is what I'm experiencing with my corn. Okay, before I go, I can show you my avocado tree. I just put the seed under for testing. I don't know when, to be honest, and then it just came out. I'm so excited, and I'd like to see how it progresses. We have to transplant it into a pot, so that we'll be moving it when the winter starts. Otherwise it may get it can end up dying because of the cold weather anyway, and we don't know what to do with it after that, because trees grow, they don't stay small, and you can't be taking them in and out of the garage when the season changes. Yeah, so that's all for today. I thought I should share with you about this strange corn I have on here. I will look out for the name of the corn, and I'll put it on the title of this video, so that you know which type of corn I'm talking about. It's so strange indeed. Very, very strange. I've never seen corn like this in my life. Thank you for watching. If you haven't liked or subscribed to my channel, please do so. You might find some interesting videos about me and my lifestyle. Thank you. Have a great day.